And out of nowhere, Uncanny X-Men Avalanche. I found this one at a steal. I be finding deals at a steal. Man, stop playing. I need to go back out there next week just to see what they doing. But here's that guy. I love all the different languages. I'm gonna learn everything. But seismic force. He makes earthquakes with his hands. But if you're looking at this video, you probably already know that. This ab crunch looks crazy right here. I'm definitely gonna open this too. Even though this card is thick, it reminds me of the 90s when they used to gotta get that cross sale on. I like that Wolverine costume, the Dark Phantom. Now, this is the stuff that I'm never gonna see in the store that I got this at. I got that when I got him. So yeah, when I saw first, I think I saw this one first. Or I saw this one. No, I saw this one first, and then I went to the end of the aisle, and I was like, oh. So yeah, here's Avalanche. Here's the back of the box. It's so damn 90s. Super nostalgic. And that's really what gets me when I be collecting stuff, man. I pick stuff up. I be like, oh, I remember that. I remember that. I love this comic book cover aesthetic. I need to get to the shop, and in real life, I don't know if I have many books featuring Avalanche because I don't read X-Men like that anymore. Like, I tried to get into the new one. What is that? The X-Men United? Is it United? Yeah, I tried to get into it. I'm like, I gotta give it another chance. But yeah, let's get into this. This card stock fit too. Yeah. Now, he only comes with a couple of hands, but he is the weapon, so you don't really need anything. And there he is. Out of the box. Super shiny. I don't think we have any twist ties or anything locking them down. Yeah. He's pretty cool. Fresh out of the box. Yeah, this is what it's all about. This costume is pretty sick. Quite simple. It's pretty sick though. Alright, let's get these. And looking at the hands. Really nice detail on it's coming up. Yeah, that might be a little better. Very detailed. They always look like is Wayne Brady gonna have to choke? Yeah. These are pretty good. And then he has, of course, the Fist of Fury. But I'm guessing this would be more of a threat. Because I'm not sure if he can punch an earthquake. Usually when I see him using his powers, he has his hands open. Now, I'm not an Avalanche expert, so if you think you're gonna get in these comments and start being, well, actually, he can punch his seismic triggers through his knuckles. Then thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so glad I learned. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Alright, so let's get into the articulation. I don't want to start talking crazy about Hasbro, because right now I like this figure, but Hasbro, y'all out y'all minds. Alright, he's going up this far. This plastic feels a bit gummy though. Not complaining about it. And he can probably go 360, but his shoulder pad, his cool, awesome shoulder pad is not gonna let that happen. But why would he really put his hands that far up? It's Avalanche, man. Come on now. There's that ab crunch I was talking about. It's pretty good. And the waist, 360. So your head, you got the Linda Blair. Waist, 360. Legs is not side kicking too much. This elbow joint that is double pinned, is it double? It is double, but this joint feels really soft and I don't want to bend it. Like, this feels like it's gonna break, but it is double pinned. That second one, yeah, like this joint, this whole arm, it's not like super hard plastic, but that joint feels kind of weak and a bit gummy. So yeah, take with that what you will. There's a back cut. I'm guessing the knees are double pinned also, so you can get to there. Front kick, you got the Charlie Murphys. You got that big boot. And the leg does not go back at all. Booty butt. And there's rotation at the boot, but I don't know if it's going to spin all the way around. It does though. Here we go. It does. And that ankle tilt, I'm guessing this is on the ball joint, so it goes to here. And got the Resident Evil. Going on here and up to about here, but it won't stay. So yeah, some of these joints feel a bit gummy, a little loose, but for whatever I paid for it, I'm thinking I got this for like, it was under 10, so I wasn't mad at all. I think it may have been 10. Ben 10, shout out to Ben 10. So yeah, here's Avalanche Uncanny X-Men Hasbro. I don't know if I would do this in the store full price, but if you find this at Ross, Foreman Mills, Ollie's, whatever discount place that has toys like this, because this is just a piece of the 90s just looking at me. And I had 10 bucks and I said, yeah, I'll do that. And homie's out of the box looking shiny. Yeah, very happy with this purchase. Who's your favorite from the Brotherhood of Mutants? And you can't say Magneto. You let me know. Ooh, bars. Like, share, and subscribe. Also, let me know if you have this figure and where did you find it. Y'all have a good day. Peace.